Okay, gonna get started soon. We just have 2,000 to go. 2,000 more to go. Let's tap on our screen, guys. Double tap. Let's get the likes up. Double tap. Welcome back, guys, to another live. Hope everybody's doing great. We're back here live, TikTok, and on the other channel. I can't say the name, but we're back here to analyze, trade, and learn about Forex and cryptocurrency. If this is your first time joining the live, welcome. It's great to have you here. What we do here is analyze the Forex market and the cryptocurrency market, and I also do some live trading here. This is a great place for beginners to learn how trading works and everything. Make sure you follow me on TikTok and join my Telegram group so you can get more information for free. You can also take advantage of my signals that I send on the Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram group is in my bio, so head over there. If you're not in it already, make sure you join it, okay? And also make sure you open an account with my recommended brokers, abato.com and FXCC. These are the two best brokers that you want to be using if you are interested in saving money from fees and all those high spread. You're looking for a broker that have low spread, then look no further. Abato.com and FXCC do offer low spread, okay? You have a VIP's channel? Yes, I do. If you want to join it, send me a message and I will provide you with more details on how you can join. Make sure you sign up with abato.com or FXCC, okay? Use them. The link to these brokers is on my bio. So let's get the likes up. Okay, we are at 6,000. Awesome. So I'm going to get started with the analysis very soon. Just keep tapping on our screen, guys. Let's keep tapping and then we will get started very soon. On tap. Let's keep tapping on our screen. All right. Okay, guys. So we are at 7,000 likes. This is awesome. Now let's get started with the analysis. Hope everybody's doing great. I hope you guys all had a great weekend. Okay, so let's get started now. Quickly gonna just check Forex Factory, see if there's any sort of data coming out tomorrow. Okay, so we don't have any sort of data, okay, no sort of news that are going to be released tomorrow, so that's good. And then there's nothing within the next coming hours. Okay, oh, all right, good to know. So now let's go over, we'll start off by looking at gold, and after that we'll look at GBP USD, we'll take a look at euro, we'll look at USD JPY, we'll look at Bitcoin, and then maybe US 100. Or can I enter buy? I have not analyzed market yet, so I can't really tell that, okay? You're gonna have to be patient. All right, so let me start out with gold here. Let's see what's happening here with gold. Just for us to quickly find quick opportunities, I'm gonna just straightly jump to the 1 hour time frame, okay? So this is the 1 hour time frame. What we are seeing is that gold is very volatile right now for some reason. We saw a huge dump all the way down to 26.37 within the past hour, and then now it quickly pumped back, right? It quickly pumped back, and now we're getting a dump again. Okay, so this is very interesting move that gold is doing here. Well, never to say, right now gold is actually at a support. Okay, it has strong support between 26.23 there and 26.40. You can see price is basically trying its hardest to hold that support, because this is a very important support. The price needs to hold in order for this uptrend that we're in to continue. It technically cannot break below 26.23 there. Okay, so this is a good area to be buying gold. Gold is buying there. So let's see, right now it's returning back to it, but we're going to go to the lower time frame to find some entries there. Okay, because as long as it keeps holding that support, we have possibility pushing higher. We already saw the last 1 hour candle there, got a nice pull, respected that support, pushed up. Now this current candle is bearish. It's not pushing back to that support again. So I'm hoping that because of this previous candle that we got here, this bullish candle, hopefully this next one is going to be bullish. If not, then this is not going to be good. Okay, this is signaling more and more weakness in the market, and then there's like high chance we may end up heading lower and lower. Okay, but yeah, if this support is holding, now the next thing that needs to happen in order for gold to move higher, it has to break the current resistance, which is at 26.49. Okay, that's the current resistance that we have here on this 1 hour time frame. We can see this price seems to be struggling the most to break. We've had at least 3 or 4 attempts of trying to break that resistance, and so far price has not been that resistance. So it's going to be a big deal breaking it. Once we break it, then we can go higher. We have this high here. Price hasn't not yet retested, so this could be a good area to enter sell for gold. Okay, so this is 26 between 26.59 and 26.55. This could be a good area to enter sell for gold. Okay, and then this current resistance is also a good area to sell. This is already a sell we missed because price is already falling from there. We technically can enter sell right now. Okay, so but looking at the overall market, I will now I'll go to the daily time frame, but for now let's just keep note of the fact that, hey, we want to enter buys around here if the support is holding. We want to enter sell around 26.49. If we get rejected, if the price returns back there again and it gets rejected, we look for sell around there. And then another good area for us to look for sell would be around 26.60. Okay, so price is not at any of those spots, so we cannot enter any sell. Okay, what we want to look for right now is either a buy, and if it's not a buy, we just wait. We wait for the market to push back up that resistance. Okay, now if we look at the overall, if you just zoom out here, we can say, price has technically just been ranging over the past couple hours, since Friday actually. Yeah, we've just been ranging. There's no sort of like structure that's currently formed here on this 1 hour time frame. Price is just like side to side there. Okay, so yeah, so in this scenario we would just try to buy as support, we sell at resistance. We have support right now between 26.23 26.40. That is our strong areas of support. And then our resistance, we have minor resistance at 26.49 and then major resistance at 6.60. Okay, so yeah, so basically that is the case here for gold. Let's see if the price keeps dropping. Okay, if we end up losing this current support here, 26.37, we could look for potential buys down here at 26.23, Also 26.30 here. We'll see if the price holds that support or not. Then we can buys around those levels. Okay. So yeah, so that's basically what's happening here for gold. Now let's go to the daily time frame. For everybody who's just joining, welcome to the live. I hope you're doing great. If this is your first time joining, you're welcome. What I'm doing here is analyzing the Forex, and then I also analyze cryptocurrency market. This is a great place for you to be in if you're a beginner in trading, or if you are just, you're not making consistent profit, then definitely you have a lot to learn, and this is this place to learn a lot about how trading works, how exactly I make money from trading, and how you can. Well, make sure you follow me on TikTok, join the Telegram group, so that you can get more information. Okay. All right, so let's keep tapping on our screen, guys, please. Let's keep tapping on our screen. Let's get the likes up to let's get the likes to 20. All right, so this is the daily time frame for gold. On this daily time frame here, we can see gold is currently in an uptrend, and the uptrend is still pretty much intact because price hasn't broken the previous support here, which is at, okay, so this major support for this daily time frame is at 25.45. Okay, that's where the major support is. This is the support that needs to be held in order for the uptrend that gold is currently in continue. Okay, and so far we haven't broken it. Okay, currently gold is currently holding this support here, 26.23 there, which if it ends up breaking, then we will for sure dump to 2600. Okay, so yeah, so for gold right now we want to look for buying opportunities. Number one best area to buy, of course, we have 26.23 there, which on the daily time frame we're actually now holding the support. Right now the price seems to be gradually heading lower and lower, as you guys can see, and this is actually not a good thing. There's a chance we may end up breaking this support, okay, because what the price is doing, going lower and lower. So there's a chance we may end up breaking support, and if we do, we will dump here. But even if we dump here, you want to look for buy around 2600. Okay, 2600 number one, and then number two, 25.45, 25, anywhere around this area. So between 540, 600, good area to look to have buy. Okay, if gold gets the area. If we break 26.23, you can also look for sell. Okay, so that's also a very important support. If price breaks that, just know that it's going to dump straight 2600. Okay, so basically right now price is trying really hard to hold this support, but it seems to be getting weaker and weaker, so there's a high chance we could end up breaking support very soon. So that's the daily time frame. We've already looked at the 1 hour. Now I'm gonna just delete some lines here. Let's delete this. $6.30. Okay. Leave this one here. Now let's just go back to the 1 hour. See, the 1 hour current candle is not really looking bullish. Okay, this is not looking good. So this type of momentum, we could end up breaking this support. This current support to use push up, we might end up breaking it, and we can come here 26.30. We hold it, we could up there. Okay, so see what the okay. See what the do. Same thing, sort of sign the price is gonna go up. Let's keep tapping on our screen, guys. Please double tap on the screen. Double tap. A second. Share the live. Okay. All right. So yeah, gold is currently at the support there, and yeah, so far I'm trying to see if it's gonna hold us. If it is, we can enter a potential buy here, okay, where the price is now. We haven't seen any signs yet. Okay, on the 1 minute, if you go 1 minute, it's sort of like find support. Okay, so this is sign price is holding support. So now we want to see let's see if we can get the same thing at least the 3 minutes and 5 minute time frame. Okay, for strong issue buy, and if we do enter this buy, we set the stop loss at this area to set it to be a 623. 623. I'm gonna set our stop loss. Save the price. Still like a minute left. And I'll be placing this trade on abato.com. Make sure you open if you don't already have one. Let's go to my TikTok bio right now and sign up, okay? This is one of the best brokers to use if you want to save money on trading fees. Sign up with abato.com or FXCC. The link to register is on my bio. This was a pretty, this was a more of a pump dump right here. See how the price pumps and right away it, okay? So this is signaling weakness in the market. That's why I'm like thinking, you know, this support right now is gonna get broken. That gets broken, then the next best area, next support we have is around 2630. Okay? This is the support. This is the first time here, so very high chance that we're gonna on that. I believe that's also area price bounce back up from on the 1 hour here. Okay. Right here, price is coming to it. Let's see if it's gonna. And we've already broken. We've broken below 2637. So let's see as the price is approaching 2632. Let's see what is it gonna do. Let's keep tapping on our screen, guys. Double tap on your screen. Let's get the likes to 20. Yeah, very, very bad. I can see why this downward movement began. Okay, if you guys, in case you guys don't know, it's because on the daily time frame here, we formed a lower high, and a lower high is a bearish pattern. You know, anytime the price goes up in an uptrend or whatever, all of a sudden you see the price forming for a high. Usually that is a sign the price will go down. Okay, and then usually where it's heading down is to the support. Okay, and this is basically what gold is. It's coming back to the support here. Okay, now we need gold to hold support time frame for us to be able to even push back up to 2670 and 26.3. Know that we need gold to the support. So far, no sort of support that it's held. The support was formed, but right now it has been held on the time frame. Okay, so this supports get broken. We're heading down to 2600. This one is 100% good. Okay, let's see here. Okay, I think the main target where it's aiming to get to is here. This low here. Okay, because this 4-hour time frame, you also sort of like see a double top pattern here. Okay, so double top pattern, right? It's 4-hour time frame, and then we have the neckline is sitting exactly at this support. So this is also the aim for the price to get here, and I think this is also why we've been just gradually heading lower and lower, because the price wants to come to this support. Once it finally gets there, if that support holds, then it's going to be able to bounce back up strongly. However, if the support fails, okay, support fails, then it is going to dump. Okay, so price is approaching that support down 1 hour time frame. Okay, but for us, we're not going to look for the big move. We're just going to enter a quick scalp, at least for me, you guys. But I'm waiting for the price to come here, 2632. Wait to see what it's gonna do. It's holding that support. I will buy. Approaching it slowly. Let's head down. Let's head down 3 minutes. Okay, you can see 3 minutes. We lost this support. Since we lost that support, I'm going to delete this line here because it's important. Okay. Let's see. Okay. As it is approaching it, I'm going to I'll look at it. I'm going to analyze something else, okay? Because I don't want to just spend too much time on gold. We could be missing another on something else. So let's not focus too much on. Okay. Not focus too much. Gold. Let's keep tapping on our screen, guys. Let's get the up to 8,000. Double tap. All right, so let's take a look at USD. USD 147.56 right now. Okay, that's the current price here. Price hit the resistance 149 retracement. Okay, and then this market here is still higher and higher. Okay, so we can see on this daily time frame our previous high and low is right here. Okay, 143 there. That could be a good area to enter buy if price enters, comes down to this 140, 144 there. Good area to enter. Potential buy. Okay, that's number one. And then previous resistance that we broke is 146. Okay, 146 there. Okay, that's on the daily time frame. Okay, you want to look for buying opportunities with this pair here, USDJPY, currently in an uptrend, and a good area to enter buy. Number one, we have 146.53. If that support holds, you can enter buy around there, and then all the way down here, 144 is also the area. Price will come down. If it does, you can enter buy there. Okay, now I'm gonna go to, let's check out our time frame. The 4-hour time frame, you can see the uptrend even better. Okay, see the market is obviously in it right now. Right now we're getting a pullback. Okay, I think the price is gonna most likely okay, expecting this support here 147 to hold. If that holds, the right there. Now critical level price needs to hold for this option to continue is 145.94. Okay, so this is this previous higher low there. Price needs to hold it. It cannot hold this. If it does break below 145.94, then you can look to sell. Okay, sell down to one for now. Okay, it hasn't broken it, so that means you want to buy, but don't buy yet. Okay, because price has not yet found support. It's approaching the support, but the support has not yet held. So you will have to, now you just want to wait. Okay, wait until we see I would say until we see like a 1-hour candle closing around this support here. So 147.3, see a 1-hour bullish stick. That's one area, one sign we can use to go ahead and enter a buy. And if you do enter buy here, you can target this previous high for the take profit. Okay, but for now, don't enter buy yet. Okay, just to just wait, market down. Okay, so just look for buy anywhere around 147 and 146. Okay, and if you want to look for a sell, wait for the price to break this support here, 194. Then you can enter sell, because if the market loses this support, then that gives the sellers more control of the market. You would try to bring the price down lower. Okay, so that's the analysis for USDJPY. There's no opportunity to enter sell or a buy at this point in time. Okay, right now it's just a matter of wait. Okay, let's keep tapping on our screen, guys. Let's get the likes up to 20,000. Double tap on your screen. Double tap. I hear you. Can you guys hear me? Can you hear me right now? Let's check out let's go and check gold. Let's see what gold is doing. Let's see. Okay, that 1-hour candle is still bearish. Now let's go down to support. Okay, price is trying. Okay, it's trying here to support. Let's see. Just wait. Patient is key in trading. You have to learn how to be patient. Okay, guys. So first sign price is holding this support. So I'm gonna enter a small buy here, and then targeting number one, 2640. Okay, 2640. Then number one, and then number two, we have 2642. And I took this buy on abato.com. That's the trading platform that I use and recommend. You guys can sign up with it by going to my bio right now. You'll see a link there. Sign up so you can take this trade as well. Okay, you ready? Okay, so let's analyze USD now. I've analyzed gold, analyze USDJPY. So now let's take a look at Euro. Let's see what's here. So currently 1.0970. Okay, that's the current price here. You can see here price is currently support. So price is currently support here. And the support has not held. Has not been held here any time yet. So yeah, but this could be a good area to buy if the support holds. What do I mean by the support holding? It means that we need to see a daily candle, 1 hour bullish. See that, then the market higher. Okay. But so far we have the support has not yet been held. Okay, so we can here. Okay, so now this market here, it's still in an uptrend. If you look up here, uptrend is still intact as long as we have not support 109. One is super important to hold it on the daily time frame here. Get a daily candle below this, actually start heading down. Then you want to start looking for selling opportunity once this supports 0.950. Okay, see there, very critical. The daily time frame now, we see our last major resistance all the way up here, 1.12. That's the major resistance on this daily time. Okay, have there now. Let's go check out 1 hour time frame. On this 1 hour time frame, the market is actually trend, guys. Okay, you guys can see here we're in a trend, forming lower highs, and whenever the market is forming lower highs and lower lows like this, it is said to be in a downtrend. And yeah, in a downtrend like this, you want to be selling opportunities. Okay, so we need to just look at where the market is. Okay, right now it's we formed a new low here. Okay, this bearish candle here was our new low. Okay, now our resistance on this time frame where the previous high is. Okay, previous the previous lower high here. Okay, this high is went to go this dump right there. This is actually major resistance in the way now. Okay, in order for them to get out of this current downtrend, then means that we need to see Euro USD to break back above 10.43. If it can break above 1.10, chance to not uptrend or start higher. So neither of that has happened right now. The consolidation is forming, it's moving sideways. Okay. Now if I zoom in, okay, let's just zoom in a little. Okay, zooming in, we can see a formation of a double bottom. Okay, double bottom, which is a bullish pattern. Price respected this bottom because it went up neckline. Okay, went to the neckline, and when it got to the neckline, it actually broke it. Okay, it broke that resistance, which was actually super important. Since it broke it, this is the market telling us now we're most likely gonna head up. The market is most start heading up since it has broken this resistance here. Okay, so that's why we're seeing now the market is forming higher higher lows here. So I would say for Euro USD, look for buy, because the price is showing signs of up. We're forming this higher low. If you're buying now, make sure you set your stop loss below 0 0954. Okay, 0954 is basically the level the market can, okay, for this uptrend that it's basically starting here. Okay, so I'll look to buy. If you want to be extra safe, then wait for the market to break this current resistance it's forming. Okay, 0986. Okay, you can wait for it, for that resistance to break for you to enter a buy. But regardless, you know, the market is showing signs of buying right now. You can enter a buy and a stop loss at 0951. So let's keep tapping on the screen, guys. Make sure you join the Telegram group. If you're just joining the live and you're not in the Telegram, make sure you join it. Link to the Telegram group is on the bio. Okay, you'll get 3 signals a week from the Telegram group. You get more trading knowledge, Forex and currency. Link to the Telegram group is in my bio, so head over there and join it. So Euro USD, like I said, guys, look for buy, and right now market is giving you an opportunity to buy. Okay, you want to look for buy anywhere around this entire zone. Okay, is a buy between 1.0950, okay, up until this point. Okay, so look for buy for Euro USD because the market is more higher. Okay, and then take profit number 1. You want to target this resistance here, 1.1020, number 1, and then you can target this resistance 1.1040. Okay, and then finally, for major move upward, price needs to break this resistance here. This downtrend is still going to be intact. We have now resistance. Okay, so that's Euro USD. Check out GBP and see what's going on. Let's keep tapping the screen, guys. Can I, on a funded account, can we close a trade manually, or is it a must? What? Or it must hit previously set TP? You can close a trade manually on a funded account. Just keep tapping on the screen, guys. Okay, double tap. I'll be right back, guys. Let's keep tapping on the screen. I will finish up analyzing GBP soon. Okay, so back at analyzing GBP USD, let's keep that, please. Let's take a look here. Okay, so currently it is also in an uptrend here. Okay, you see the market is forming higher highs, higher lows. So that is an uptrend. Okay, our previous high is over here at 1 actually got rejected from, and now we can see prices currently has pulled back to the support here. Okay, so this is at 1.30, between 1.30 and 1.15. That is the support, okay, for this uptrend. Continue, the price has to hold above. In this case, it hasn't yet. So right now we want to look for buying opportunity, but wait for confirmation that the support is actually going to hold. So far, we have now received an even though price is forward, we have now gotten an the time buy. Okay, we get daily candle close bullish at the support with buy. Okay, so that has not happened. So you want to and wait, and I wouldn't be selling this pair yet. That's the price support 130 here. Okay, there has, and I'm looking at the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour, we can see we are in a downtrend. Okay, 4 hours in downtrend. Sign up for your mentorship. Until now, I don't see any feedback. Hey Jumo, if you didn't get a feedback, I'm so sorry about that. I'm going to everybody who filled that form by tomorrow. Okay, so you should hear soon. Send me a message on TikTok as well. Okay, send me a message so I can just confirm to see if I did send you an email. Right. Send me a message that applied for the trading class, the October trading class. Okay. So on the 4-hour time frame, we are in a downtrend. Okay. So you guys have to know market can be in two different trends on different time frames. If you go to the daily time frame, we see GBP USD, we are in an uptrend. Go to the 4-hour, it is in a downtrend. Okay, it's in a downtrend because it's okay. Now, when you are trading and everything, you always want to combine. You combine two time frames together. Okay, the higher time frame, you use it to know where the the bigger the trend is. Okay, the bigger trend, whatever trend is happening, the higher time frame, aka 1 day, that is basically the overall direction market. Lower time frame, you can use it for like smaller trading opportunities, but it's also good indication about when the market is about to resume the uptrend it's currently on. Okay, on any bigger time frame, understand, right? So what do I mean by this? So you know how on the daily time frame right now we are in an uptrend, correct? We're in an uptrend right now, which means that we're expecting to go up, and there's critical levels that price cannot break when it's uptrend. That is the previous higher low. Okay, as the market is going up higher and higher, it tends to form higher highs and higher lows. Now, in order for the uptrend to continue, price cannot break below the previous higher low. Okay, from where the price currently is, wherever the previous higher low is, that's the level the market cannot break. The moment it breaks below that, it means that the uptrend has most likely come to an end. Okay, so now when the market is in an uptrend, it will not just go up straight, right? It's going to be forming, yeah, like I said, higher highs and higher lows. So it pulls back every time it forms a new high, right? Now this pullback here, sometimes if you go on a lower time frame, it's going to look like a downtrend. Okay, it's going to look like a downtrend because the price is forming highs and lows. So you can use this, you combine that with both the daily time frame for you to be able to determine when to enter a buy, because on the daily time frame you basically know that okay, market is in an uptrend. This means that I want to look for buying opportunity, but you sometimes will ask yourself, when do I buy? Okay, I can see we are in an uptrend, and right now I see prices pulling down, but where do I buy? Okay, where do I buy? Do I buy here? Do I buy here? Do I buy, like, what the hell? Where do I buy? Well, number one, best area to buy, we have the previous high. Okay, that's buying area number one. The previous high, which price breaks above. Okay, when the price breaks above that previous high, it's supposed to turn into support. So that's buying area number one. When you notice price has broken the previous high, just wait for the price to return. If it returns, then you can enter buy. That's buying area number one. Okay. Number two, the previous higher low is also now another critical level for the market to hold if the option is to continue. Okay, so you can look for buying around there. Now, you can now combine the lower time frame. Oh, by the way, gold is about to hit our first take profit. Ooh, we are in profit of $100. So first take profit for gold just got hit. Congrats to everybody who took participated in that trade. Our first take profit just got hit, and we made about $100 from this trade. I'm closing it right now. Okay, I'll show you people on YouTube, people on TikTok. You guys can, I don't know if you guys can see. See, let me try to load up. I need to close this quick. Okay, so we're in profit of like $78. Okay, so I'm actually going to close this right now. I just closed at $80 profit. Okay, just closed it. So that was the first TP that just got hit. Congratulations to everybody who partook in the trade. Okay, so let's wait and see what the market is gonna do. It looks like that support got respected after all. I'm gonna just quickly, let me just quickly look at gold. Come back to GOUSD very soon. Let's just gold. Let's see. We see a huge dump here. Previous candle extremely like bearish here. Now the next candle is bullish. Okay, we close bullish here. This is going to be a good sign. Price is going to be able to push back up to this resistance here once more. Okay, and hopefully maybe this time it's going to go ahead and break it. Very annoying how the price just keeps bouncing between this resistance back and forth. But yeah, so if the 1 hour, the current 1 hour candle closes bullish, just know that this is going to push the price up. The price could actually keep pushing up from where it is right now. I'm going to go to the low, see what's happening here. Okay, so let's go. Let's start heading down. Let's look at 30 minutes. Okay, so 30 minutes, we have not yet found support. Okay, haven't found support yet. Current candle is bullish, but we want to see that candle close bullish. Hasn't yet closed. Let's check out the 15. 15, we did get one bullish candle, but the next one is going to be better confirmation. There. Okay, let's see. And on this time frame here, the 10 minutes, 15, the only resistance we have along the way is actually here. 26.46 is our resistance on the 15 minutes. It's also our resistance on the 30 minutes. It's also the resistance on the 1 hour. Okay, now if I go down to 5 minutes, also 5 minutes, it's also resistance there. Okay, so that seems to be a very strong resistance on pretty much all time frames. This means the price can actually push all the way to that area, right? Because it doesn't have any other resistance on the way, so it can easily push up to 26.46 there. Okay, let me check 3 minutes. Let's see. Okay, so we do have a little bit of resistance here, 26.42, which price is actually approaching. That's actually where the second TP was at. Okay, so if you're still holding the trade, to keep holding it, because there's high chance price is approaching this. This is a resistance right here. I think when the price gets here, we might see a minor back this area right here. Okay, we might actually see a minor here, because that is another resistance. Okay, however, to pull back down to this level again and that support holds, that could be another buy. Okay, so let's see how the market does. And then if we break this resistance, 26.46, we can enter another buy at the pullback. So yeah, that's gold. Let's just wait. Okay, let's go back and finish up with what I was talking about. Another thing I just completely forgot. Okay, since price is now going up higher, we will wait for the price to give us a new higher low. Okay, once we get a new higher low, we can also enter a buy. Okay, so far this is the first move price just made. We broke this minor resistance here. Now price is pushing and we want to see the price come back down, form a new higher low there, so we can go and enter a buy. Okay, the price hasn't done that yet, so we can't enter a buy yet. So yeah, so now let's go back to GBP USD. I even forgot what I was saying. Okay. Oh yeah, so I was saying that you need to combine the bigger time frames with lower time frame. Okay, okay, we have someone spreading negative, so what happened? Yeah. Anybody who comes here to spread negativity and all that, I will block them from the live. I saw one person commenting, broke people trade, rich people invest. Laughing. So don't even understand what with that comment. So yeah, I'm gonna just, some people just don't have anything better to do with their time, so they just like to come spread negativity around. Sad. It's funny too. Yeah, I already blocked him. Yeah, so I was as I was saying, okay, you want to combine when you're analyzing, okay, you want to combine at least two time frames together. If you're trading based on whatever's happening on one time frame, then you'll go to a time frame that's lower than the time frame that you're looking at for you to be able to determine when to enter your trade, stuff like that. Okay, so like I'll give you an example. On the daily time frame here, you can see prices in a down, I mean it's in an uptrend, going down to support, but we don't know exactly when should we enter buy. Okay, I already showed you guys, number one, you can wait till you see daily candle, daily bullish candlestick closing at this support. Once you see that, that's one sign you can buy. But another thing you can do, you can scale down to a time frame that's lower than the daily time frame, right? So if you go to this list here, you can see we have 4 hour, so on. Okay, so I can go to 4 hour and just see what is the current trend in that 4 hour. Okay, so on this 4 hour, I can see we are in a downtrend. Okay, so since the market is in a downtrend, this means you want to look for selling opportunities. Okay, and now on this 4 hour time frame, okay, because on the daily time frame you're looking to buy, okay, this means what you want to do is wait for this downtrend that is on the 4 hour to come to an end for you to actually enter your buy on the daily time frame. Okay, so in order for downtrend to be over, price needs to break above a previous lower high. Okay, as the price is in a downtrend, it's going to be forming lower highs and lower lows like this. This is basically when the price downtrend. For that downtrend to be over, okay, any previous lower high, okay, from where the price is, price needs to break above that previous lower high in order for it to come out of this downtrend and start an uptrend. Okay, so you just, if you come to this 4 hour time frame, you know that, okay, you want to buy. Daily time frame is currently a support, but on the 4 hour you see a downtrend. So now you need to wait for the price to break out of this downtrend for you to enter. So that means that you need to wait for the price to break a previous lower high. So if we look at this 4-hour time frame, this is where the price is. If you just follow the way the price has been moving, see here we had a low. After this, we went up to this point, then we came and we broke this low here. Okay, since we broke this low, this now up here becomes our new higher, our new lower high. Okay, isn't a new higher low only confirmed once a higher high is created? Yeah, that new a new higher low becomes significant, okay, for the uptrend once a new higher high is created. But the new higher low could be used as an area to buy. Okay, it becomes significant for the uptrend to now break once the price forms a new higher high. That makes sense. Okay, so we see here this is our previous low, price broke it. Because of that, this previous lower high there becomes resistance. Now price came down, formed a new low here, but our resistance is still around 1.31. okay, so this means if for us to safely enter a buy, for right now we need GBP USD to break above 1.3176. okay, that's what needs to happen for you to confidently enter a buy based on the daily time frame uptrend. Okay, so if that actually happens, that means we're going to see a nice bullish daily candle right at that support, and this is a confirmation to go ahead and enter a buy. And when you enter this buy, you will target the previous high as your TP. Okay, that's number one. You can do that. You can target the previous high. But the other thing you can do, okay, you can go to lower time frames and target previous highs that's on those lower time frames. Do you understand? Like if you look at this daily time frame, the only resistance that we see right now is all the way up here. Okay, it's all the way up here at 34.17. However, if you go to 4-hour, on the 4-hour time frame, we actually have resistance here, we have resistance here, we have a resistance here. So if you enter buy here, you can target take profit number one at 1.3298, take profit number two at 1.3384, take profit number three at 1.34. okay, so this is how you can set your take profit target as you are entering your buy. And this could be the same thing for entering a sell. You just need to target all the previous higher lows. Okay, as the price is in a downtrend or whatever, as it's going down, it's targeting all the previous higher lows. Oh my goodness, all the previous higher lows. Yes, all the previous lows here. This is basically what the price is going to target as it is heading down. Okay, once it successfully breaks below a low there, it's going to go to the next one. Breaks it, it will go to the next one. Breaks it, it goes to the next one. Okay, that's how the market moves, you guys. This is literally how the market moves. A lot of people don't know this, but it's very, very simple. You understand how to analyze the market structure, you're literally going to be able to know when the price is heading down and when the price is going to go up. Okay, so I hope this is helpful information that can help you guys to actually start trading better. Okay, so yeah, so for GBP USD right now, we want to enter a buy, but we have to wait for this current resistance 1.31 to get broken. Okay, this is if we want to trade based on this trend that's on the daily. Okay, this is the trend that's on the daily. But if you want to just look for quick trading opportunities, then just head to a lower time frame and see what's happening there. Okay, on this 1-hour time frame, we see something else right now. Okay, 1-hour time frame, we see you look closely, we have a formation of a potential uptrend that's going on right now. So if you don't want to trade based on whatever is happening on a daily, you can just focus on this formation here. Okay, this market structure right now is something that you can trade as well, because this is a little uptrend, prices in. We can see right now we're forming higher highs and higher lows. So right now price formed, it got rejected here. So this is the current resistance here for this 1 hour time frame. So now what needs to happen in order for the price to go higher? Oh my goodness, gold just broke. Just head to our second take profit. That's awesome. So look at that. Let me show you guys. I haven't been looking at gold. Wow, this is amazing, y'all. Now at this point, I would be feeling, man, I should have kept holding the trade. I didn't open 2 positions, because that trade was a little bit risky. So I didn't open 2 positions. I just opened 1. But at this point, you'll be feeling like very disappointed. Like, man, I should have just kept holding, because look, I would have been profit. Okay. This is not a good mindset to have. Okay, when you start feeling like this, you should always remember that, hey, don't be greedy. Okay, be grateful for the small profit that you made. It's at least better than a loss. Be grateful at least you made something instead of losing. All right, there's always going to be more trading opportunity. Right now, this is a good sign. I like that the market is going up, because this is telling me that the chance it's going to keep going higher. So now I want to look for buying opportunities, and frick, I just missed another buying opportunity. I told you guys we wanted to see a pullback, enter buy, and then we just missed a pullback right here. You see here, but this one was a very minor pullback. I don't think I would have even entered that one. Okay, it was a very minor one. It would have been better to see the price pull down drastically a little bit. We just saw a small pullback, and then boom, price broke that resistance. Now it's heading up. So now what we're going to do is wait to see another pullback. Okay, I don't know if the market is going to give us it, because based on how it's moving, it looks like it's going to keep going up. Now, do you know why it's heading higher? It's because it has been able to break this resistance here. Okay, this resistance, well, it was getting rejected. I guess it's attempting to break it. Okay, it hasn't fully broken that resistance yet. Our breakout is fully confirmed once we get a candlestick closing above it. Okay, so far we haven't gotten it. We did get the price breaking it, but it didn't close above it, so the breakout is not yet confirmed. Okay, so let's see. If it breaks above it, it's going to head to the next resistance over here. Okay, but if it gets rejected at this resistance, then guess what's going to happen? It's going to pull back down. Okay, so let's see. There's still about 50 seconds left for this candle to close. Do you guys think it's going to break it or get rejected? What do you guys think? Is it going to break this resistance, this current resistance, 2642, or is it going to get rejected? It's already getting rejected. There's 30 seconds left. Getting rejected, pretty bad. There's 10 seconds left. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It got rejected. Okay, so now it's going to pull down. Okay, because we got this rejection, I'm going to try to break it, but most likely going to fail. It's most likely going to fail and head back down. Okay, it's going to pull back down. Pull down. Okay, so let's see, we might pull back down to this 2640 there. Okay, we have some support there, so let's see. Okay, even though it got rejected at this resistance, okay, it does not mean the price is going to suddenly crash, right? Because this is just a minor resistance. This is not a major resistance for you to suddenly think price is about to crash. Okay, a resistance that could make the price crash is the one up here at 2640, because that one is a major resistance on the 1 hour time frame. So that is, yeah, this resistance here could make the price crash because that's huge resistance right there. So now let's go back down, go back to 1 minute. See, okay, actually this was a 3 minutes. Okay, it's selling, already starting to sell there. Okay, we got rejected here. So I'm targeting, I'm not in any sell because I'm looking to enter a buy. So I'm just waiting for the price to do a pullback and then give me a new higher low or something like that to enter a buy. Okay, because I do believe price is going to go up. It's going to go up higher. See 30-minute time frame. The candle has not yet closed. We're still looking bullish though. There's 7 minutes left. Now 15 minutes. We already closed bullish there. So now we have strong support, 26.34 there. It's a very strong support market. Okay. Now we need to see levels where price could retrace back to. Okay, we have at 26.40 there, right over here. Good level for the I just mark down here. Guys, let's keep tapping on our screen. Let's get the likes up to 30,000. And make sure you join the Telegram group. If you're not in it, you're missing out. You're missing out on free profits. Go and join the Telegram group. Right now, guys. Link is in the bio. So there, that's the support. We could pull down to. Still going up. Oh, jeez. Failed to join your Telegram. Okay. Send me a message and I will. Okay, now it's getting. Okay. It's pulling down. Okay. We could look for potential buys between 26.39 26.30 if that support holds. Okay. I've not seen any sign of it pulling yet. So we need to wait. You just wait a few minutes. Give it some time. If you're struggling with joining the Telegram group, what you got to do is when you open the link from the TikTok app, copy the link, go to go to a different browser, paste the link there, and it should work. You look stressed. I am not stressed. I mean, I was a little bit, I was just praying for the market to come down. Yeah, I really don't care because I've already hit my target for the day. These trades I'm just doing so that you guys can learn. I technically don't need to trade right now, but this is just for the TikTok live. I always try to take at least 1 or 2 trades for the purpose of education. And then as I'm taking the trade, I'm explaining to you guys why I'm entering the trade so you guys can learn and all that. Okay, so we can see the price is very struggling. This resistance. Whoa, it's breaking it. It's fine. This was a nice pullback here, but I wanted to see that on the 3-minute time frame. That now it's bullish. Okay. So, okay, let's wait. If we get this 3-minute candle closing at this resistance, this could be a buy. It's getting rejected. Man, the market is extremely volatile right now. But if we get a 3-minute candle closing here, we can enter buy. Okay, be a little bit more risky, but we can enter buy here and then target this high 26.46 there or take profit. Hasn't happened yet. Put on the 1 minute. So keep watching. Wow, thank you all. Thank you so much. Thank you. Well done. Appreciate it. Okay. Let's get the likes up, guys. Double tap. So I will closely monitor gold. I want to go back to finishing analyzing GBP/USD. So I'm going to just look at it on my other screen. Okay. Back to GBP. This time around, I'm going to make sure I pay attention. Last time we literally missed. So this is GBP USD on the 1 hour time frame. Like I was telling you guys, if you don't want to focus on what's happening on a daily time frame, you can just focus on what's happening. And what's currently happening here, we can see a minor up here, and then we have resistance here, 31. Okay, previous high. Price got rejected. We're getting a pullback here. So what I want to do here, I want to look for buying opportunities since the price form is okay, this higher highs and higher lows. This is an option I want to buy. Now my critical support here for me right here. Okay, this is a small support there. So I'm interested in looking for buys between 30, 1.30, 80, 1.88. Okay, so this is where I want to enter a buy in order to join this uptrend here. I'm only gonna buy if I mention that the support is holding. So far, I haven't gotten that confirmation yet. Okay, the confirmation basically is gonna happen when we see a bullish stick. Okay, closing around the support. Okay, it doesn't have to be exactly on it, but as long as it's near it, okay, that will be support. So I'll enter a buy there, and then I'll target this high here. Okay, but if you guys see trading GBP USD based on just this small pattern here, the take profit isn't that much. All right, it is not that much. So is it even worth it? Place a trade based on this pattern? No, it is not even worth it, because what, you're gonna just aim 10 pips. You're buying from here. Here is like 10 pips or whatever. So it's not even worth it. So with GBP USD, unless if this was like an uptrend that's maybe like more expanded, it's like more wide, and I would look for buy. But for now, I'm not even interested in what's happening here. I will be more focused on the daily uptrend. Okay, the one that daily time frame. So me, I want to enter buy where I can even target this high over here instead, because that one gives me more pips instead of that smart. This would be good for gold. Okay, if this was gold, of course that would have been a lot of take profit there, but this is not gold, right? So for GBP USD, guys, it's best you wait for the price to break above 1.3142. Look for buy there or sell. Price needs to break below 1.30, then you look for sell at the pullback. Okay, when the market breaks this support, you know, when I tell you guys to enter sell, it does not mean that the moment you see bearish candle closing below the support, you go ahead and sell right away. No, when the price breaks the support, it's going to pull back up. Okay, at least it's supposed to. Sometimes it may not do that, but majority of the time it's supposed to do that. So you enter your buy at the pullback. Okay, you don't enter it right at the breakout. You enter the breakout, you're getting the worst price. You're selling at a low, and that's not good. Okay, market is always back. I want to enter only when the price pulls back, because once the price breaks below this support, this is going to turn into resistance. Okay, whenever price breaks the support, that support turns into resistance, guys. Let's go back to gold, see what's going on. Okay, so we're still observing gold here. I can see we are building that higher low. Let's go 3 minutes. Okay, oh, 3 minutes, still at that resistance. So this one is just too risky. We're not entering buy yet. Okay, price is still at that resistance. It's struggling really hard to break it. So 1 minute could have been buy here, target this, but the profit was not going to be that much. Not even worth it. So for now, we're just going to wait. Okay, we want to see the market. Good area for us to buy, like I said, 26.39, 26.40. If we can pull down there, we'll buy. Otherwise, if not, then we want the market to its current resistance, 26.42 there. We need to break it. We can see how the market is attempting really hard to break it, but it's getting rejected, right? multiple attempts to break it, and I believe it's going to break it eventually, right? Eventually, the more times the market attempts to break a resistance, the higher chance it has of breaking it. Okay? A good example to give, think of it as you're banging on a door. Okay, let's imagine you have a door and you're trying to break into that door. You know what will happen? The more you keep banging on that door, eventually the door is going to become weak and it will fall down, right? So that's basically the same analogy. You can see resistance, see the resistance. The more times the price is hitting that resistance, it keeps revisiting. It means it will hit it, come down, hit it, come down, come hit it. Finally, it's going to break it. So this is why it's very dangerous when you're trading resistance and support. You need to look at how many times price has already, oh, it has broken the resistance. Okay, so it has broken the resistance. So now I would enter buy, but this one is extremely risky. It's best, like I don't encourage buying right after the breakout. It's best when the market breaks, let it push, and we want to see it come back to test that resistance and support. Okay, so yeah, let's see if that's what the price is gonna do. Could have bought here, but we've already missed it. Now I want to buy here. Okay, we need, the price broke it, and that's already a good sign. Now let it go up. If it comes down again, we can enter buy. So yeah, so but like I was saying, right, whenever you're trading support and resistance, always look before you enter a sell at a resistance, because we're taught that when price comes to resistance you should be selling, and then when the price comes at support you should be buying, right? Now before you enter a sell at a resistance, always check how many times the price has revisited that resistance. That has already gone to it at least 3 times. Just know that as it is coming there the 4th time, there's a very high chance to break it. So even though it got rejected, don't go ahead and sell. Okay, look at that rejection. Okay, so yeah, so price is now going up higher. This is now our new support here. Let's see, but yeah, I'm still, and now we're pulling back. So we're pulling back. Okay, we broke the resistance. Price is now pulling back, but we don't enter yet. Okay, now we want to see the price to hold that support. Okay, just because they broke it and it's pulling back, we don't enter yet. We want to wait for confirmation that that support, so far it's not doing a very good job holding it. So see, I wonder if it's going to be this new higher low that it just gave us here. Let's see if it, so you were scalping. Yeah, okay, so it's holding that support now. Okay, so at this point, very risky, but we can open a small buy. This is scalping. Just know that we're using the 1 minute. Okay, so enter a small buy and target 26.40. Small buy and then 645. Okay, so it's going up. So guys, this is, let's see, the resistance, the high it's going to target is 26.45 here, but you can get out even before 26.40. That's where our resistance, this is where our next resistance that. Okay, I just marked it down there. Let me make it right. So now the price is going to target that. So we can see, I hope you guys understand why we took this buy, and I hope you understand why the market is going up, okay? Because we had a resistance over here, okay? We had a resistance over here, 26.42, and then we can see that the market and then wait, is 26. Est-ce qu'on peut parler après parce qu'il y a un live? So we can see, I hope you guys understand why we see, I hope you guys understand. Alright guys, sorry about that. Hope you guys can hear me. Alright, so as I was saying, okay, so what we're seeing here is that we had a resistance over here, okay? Small resistance here on the 3 minutes. This was on the 3 minutes time frame, also on the 1 minute time frame. And then we can see here, basically gold was attempting multiple times to break this resistance. It kept getting rejected, rejected. And finally, it was able to break this resistance right here. Okay, so now when the price breaks the resistance, now we are expecting it to push up higher. Okay, usually once it breaks the resistance, the next thing it's going to do is going to go and target the next high, okay, wherever that is based on the time frame you're looking at. So on this 1 minute time frame, the next high is actually over here at 26.45. Okay, so that's basically the ultimate target for the price right now once it broke out of that resistance. So now every time price breaks the resistance, it will break the resistance and then it will come back to do a retest of that resistance support. Okay, so we saw that happening here. Price broke it and then we came back here to do a retest. Now price started heading up. Okay, so this is an uptrend that the market is in here on this 1 minute time frame, and now we have our previous higher low here, 26.41 here. So this is now the support that will, the market is going to need to hold to be able to keep pushing higher. Okay, so basically that's basically it, right? In order for the price to get to this previous high here, 26.45, we have to make sure we don't break below 26.41. And so that's basically now critical level the market needs to hold. Okay, yeah, that's basically what happened. Right, frame. What we're seeing now, price is returning back to the support. It's returning here. It has to try to hold this. And then again, guys, just know that this support and resistance that we're trading on, this is on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, this is on 1 minute time frame, so it's a lot more risky. So just be aware of that. If you're taking any trade that we take on these time frames, do not risk too much. Okay, just risk small amount. Now we see the price is basically bouncing off of that support. Okay. It's bouncing off of that support. A cracker, a good broker that you can use is a FXCC or abato.com. I have the links to this broker on my bio, so just go to my TikTok bio right now and check it out. Okay, FXCC is really good. You can use it on MT4. Abato is also good. Okay? You can use Abato on your computer. Let's go check it out. If you need any assistance, feel free to send me a message. Or like 15 minutes left with me, guys. You guys have me for today. Feel free to ask any questions, okay, regarding trading, anything you don't understand. Make sure you oh, okay. Yeah, even with FXCC, it's the same thing. FXCC, one of the main withdrawal method that actually works better is cryptocurrency. It's actually not bad. If you live in Canada, it's actually really easy to get payment with crypto. For more information on that, just send me a message, okay? Send me a message and let me know what is it that you need so I know. Don't just say, hey, Sarah, I'm not going to know what it is that you need. Be more specific. All right, so we can start taking profit now, guys. We can start taking profits now. Closing the trade. We can start taking profit, right? You don't always have to wait for the market to hit exactly that target, guys. Just so you know. Once so yeah, once the price has made it halfway, okay, this is only for the trades that we take on TikTok live. Once the price has already made it halfway to our TP, we don't need to keep holding, okay? We just close. Because remember, this trade we're taking is already risky anyway. So the fact that the price is in profit, you know, it has already made it halfway. We need to get out, okay? So guys, with this trade here, this was another successful trade on the TikTok live. Made about let me show you guys. So made about $50. I'm gonna close it right now. Okay, so on this trade, on this TikTok live, we've been able to make, and also this was our third TP, by the way. I completely forgot the what is it called, the first trade that I gave out. The third TP was at 26.45, and actually that just got hit right now. So yeah, so now you guys can see now price is currently at this resistance. So guess what? Now it's going to go and retest. It could break it and just go higher, but it could get rejected here and start going down. So you can see right now it's starting to get rejected already. Okay, so right now the rejection is yet not yet confirmed until we see a 1 minute bearish candle. Okay, so we got that 1 minute bearish candle, so now we can say that it has gotten rejected. And you already know when the price gets rejected, it tends to pull back down. Okay, it tends to pull down. But since this market is in an uptrend here, that means that we want to keep looking for buying opportunities. So the next best time to buy is when the price forms a new higher low, and then this previous support now becomes the next critical level. This one here in green that I have is no longer important because of the fact that price formed this new one here. So this is the one I'm now going to go buy. Okay, the green one, I just deleted it since the price formed this new support here. So this one was pretty good. I hope you guys understand. Do you see how that worked, right? We broke the resistance. This is it here. Let me zoom in. Okay, so we broke the resistance. We had resistance here. Let me zoom out so you can see. Okay, so this was our resistance here. Okay, And we can see as the price approached that resistance, we got the first rejection, and guess what happened? We pulled down a little bit, and then came and kept reattempting a few times. I think at least 1, 2, 3, 4 times reattempted and got rejected until finally we got a breakout right here. Okay, so this was the candle that breaks it. Now this is awesome. Once the price broke it, now the next thing is we want to see it push up a little bit, and then we want it to come back down to test that resistance as support. Okay, when the price breaks resistance, it turns into support. It's supposed to help the price to not drop further down past the previous higher low. Okay, it is not supported to not break below this. No, it is to support it to not break below the previous higher low. That becomes the most important level, because most people make the mistake. They will see, okay, price broke a resistance, now the retest, they're going to go ahead and buy here, and then they set their stop loss slightly below that resistance there, which is actually a very huge mistake, because you can see if I had set my stop loss here, look at what the price did. It came down, it would have hit my stop loss, and I would have gotten out of the trade, lost money, but then the price still went in the direction I expected it to go. Okay, so that's why you don't want to set your stop loss there. The best area to set your stop loss is where the previous higher low is. Okay, because that previous higher low is the most important thing the market is going to not break below. If it actually has the motive to go higher, it's going to make sure to not break below this. Okay, so the confirmation on any buy or sell, the second candle, the confirmation is when we see a bullish candlestick closing above resistance. So this was this candle here. This candle here closed above that resistance. So that's our confirmation that we need to, it's our confirmation that the resistance got broken, but it's not a confirmation to enter a buy. Okay, resistance got broken. Now we want to wait for the retest of resistance. The retest will happen right here. Now when the retest happens, we want to see a confirmation that the retest is actually going to be successful. This means that we want to see the price hold that support. Okay, in this case it actually did. We see the bearish candle, that's retest. The next candle was bullish, so that's the price holding the support. Once we see that, we now go ahead and buy. The next candle is where we're going to buy. Okay, immediately the moment this candle closes, we enter a buy right away, and then we set our stop loss below the previous higher low, which is this. Okay, this is where we set our stop loss right there, and then we can see price after finding support, it came down a little bit, but it didn't break below this previous higher low, because that's the most important. And then remember, we had our target, which is the previous this is the next resistance. Okay, the price is going to target, so this is where we want to get out. Okay, because price is most likely going to pull back down from that area, and this is exactly what's happening right now. We can see once the price now started heading up, the moment it hits that resistance, it got rejected massively. Now we're seeing a pull down. Okay, now as this pull down is happening, now this market is still in an uptrend. Okay, we got a new higher high, but then now our new higher low is right here. Okay, so it's no longer, initially we had it here. Okay, but this was when the market was actually over here. But because market now gave us a new higher high, not only did it give us a new higher high, it also gave us a new higher low, which is right here. Okay, because this is a new higher low, because price pulled down and it pushed up. So now I'm going to just shift this to here. Okay, I just shift this to here now because that is now the most important level price needs to hold, and this could be the most good area for me to enter buy now. Okay, I could enter buy around here 26.42, but before I enter buy, I want to wait for confirmation that this support is going to hold. Price is currently at that support, but it hasn't held it yet. Like it has not been confirmed that it's holding it, so I can't enter buy yet. Okay, now when I enter buy here, I will set my stop loss below this previous higher. Okay, this one here, so that is 26.40, right? So set the stop loss there. Okay, but would the old higher low still be valid to be tested? That's a good question. No, the old higher low is no longer valid once we have a new higher low. Okay, once we have a new higher low, that is now the most important. The old higher low, it depends. If the old higher low is literally very within the same range as the previous higher low, then there's a chance price could come here, tap here, and still push up. Okay, because this here, it's literally the distance is not that far from each other, so we can literally just call this entire area support level that the market needs to hold. Okay, now as we are analyzing like this, okay, we're scalping, but at the same time we always want to keep be aware of what's happening on the bigger time frame, like 1 hour and stuff. So every here and there, I'm going to go to the 1 hour time frame so I can just see what's happening there, because whatever's happening here is actually what's controlling the market more. You understand? So I'm going to just go to the 1 hour time frame so I can see here this 1 hour time frame was still looking, the price is most likely going to close this candle bullish. And if that happens, now I know for sure market is now, I know that the buyers have more strength, because on the 1 hour time frame we are looking very bullish. So now we have a higher chance of going to target 26.48. Okay, this is because I can see what's happening on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, if I had not seen this, I just focus on 1 minute, I'm seeing minor sell, I'm seeing this is falling, maybe it breaks this maybe it will break this support here. Now I think price is probably going to crash further, but that's not the case, because 1 hour is showing me that most likely going to go up higher. So even if the price ends up breaking this support on the 1 minute time frame, I know that it's going to find support somewhere along the way, and then it's going to end up bouncing back and head higher, because on the 1 hour time frame we found strong support. And since that happened, that means 1 hour time frame price is going to go and target previous high that is on the 1 hour time frame. In this case, it's around 26.48. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. Let's check 30 minutes. 30 minutes getting rejected. So guys, we're gonna call it a day soon. So we've already taken enough trade. I'm not even gonna enter any more trades, but you guys look at that, price is holding that support, so very high chance from here it's going to push up. Okay, because it's holding that support right now. Let's see if that plays out. Let's see, it's holding that support. So now we have resistance here. Okay, we have this major high 26.45, but we also have a new resistance here 26.44, which the market is may get rejected from and head back down. Okay, let's see how the market plays out, if it's going to respect that support or not. Sometimes market could not respect it, okay, especially if it wants to go down. Does this strategy works in GBP too? This strategy works on pretty much all the markets. It works on pretty much all the market, guys. This is just trading market structure. A lot of people don't know this, but This is how the market is moving, guys. If you just follow the market structure, you can literally be able to predict when the price is going to go up or down. The mistake people make is they just don't know how to read it. Like they cannot tell we are in an uptrend, a downtrend. Sometimes it can be very hard to tell. I understand, because the candlesticks does not really form perfect trends and all that. Sometimes it's like very like choppy. So it just takes practice. That's all I say, okay? It just takes practice. On this 1 minute time frame, we are in an uptrend, okay? We are in uptrend. We've been in this uptrend since down over here, okay? So this uptrend began from here, okay? The moment, remember what I told you guys, in order for the market to start an uptrend, it needs to break above a previous higher low. This is a perfect example right here on the 1 minute time frame. We had a downtrend here, as you guys can see, that the market was in. This is a downtrend forming lower highs and lower lows, and then eventually at this point price stopped moving. It just started moving sideways. Now the most critical level for the price to break above in order for this downtrend to be over is the previous lower high, okay? So this is our low, this is our previous lower high. So if I just draw a line there, you guys can see there, okay? So that's my resistance, the previous lower high market needs to break in order for this downtrend to be over. So what we see is that we got the breakout right here, okay? So this is the candle that broke that resistance, and the moment the breakout happens, then we will start an uptrend, okay? So that's what happened. Now for this uptrend to become intact, we cannot break below the previous low here, okay? So this low price form, that now becomes the most critical point for the price to hold. So we can see the uptrend started, and then price started forming higher highs and higher lows. And then for the uptrend, basically the same thing. In order for an uptrend to be over, price needs to break below a previous higher low, okay? So in this example here, we had our low here. So from here, our previous higher low is actually this one here, okay? So now this is the most critical level for us to hold. If it's going to continue this uptrend that it's in, it cannot break below this level here. If we break below it, it's likely going to, okay, we'll start probably dumping, we're most likely going to dump back at a support, okay? Usually the support that we will dump to is going to be something that's like on 1 hour, 30 minutes time frames, around there, okay? So look, you guys see, so this would have been a really nice buying opportunity here. I told you we are at support. We got the confirmation that support is holding. We got this candle here. Yeah, this 1 minute candle was basically telling us that we're holding the support, even though it's like not extremely strong, but it's still bullish. That's all that matters, okay? The type of candle does not matter. It's just the fact that it is bullish. That's all that matters, okay? So now we can see it's now going up, and I told you we have resistance here, 26.44, which is a level where market could get rejected from, maybe come back down here and then try to break, okay? So if you took that buy, you are in profit right now. Start taking some profit, especially when the price gets 6.44. Take some profit there. Yeah, we are done with trading for today. Let's take a quick look at things that we didn't look at. Bitcoin. Let me quickly look at Bitcoin here. Okay, Bitcoin. Wow. this one. It went to 64,478, and then it got a massive rejection. Sarah, do you do live analysis on a daily? Yes. So I come live Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and usually twice a day. First time is around 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. Second time is around 10 p.m. Eastern time. Now the 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, I haven't been 100% consistent in it, okay, but I'm gonna try to come live consistently on those, at least the first time, which is 9:30, but I think I'm gonna change it from 9:30 to 10 a.m. Okay, 10 a.m. Eastern time instead of 9:30, because 9:30 a.m. just seems too difficult for me to actually keep consistent on. So I will just start coming live around 10 a.m. Eastern time. So yeah, you guys, I'll come back again tomorrow around 10 a.m. Eastern time, first time, and then the second time will be around 10 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, Monday to Friday. Yeah, I will always update you guys on the Telegram channel. Okay, and for those of you guys, if this is your first time watching the TikTok live, make sure you join my Telegram group, okay? Because this is where you can get more updates. Okay, this is where you can get more updates on whenever I'm coming live, or you can also get my signals that I share on the Telegram group. Okay, it says this TikTok live, this is just small, this is nothing. If you want more signals, then you need to be on the Telegram. Okay, the link is in the bio, so just head over there and join. It's free, you don't need to pay for it. Now the other thing I want you guys to do is to sign up with my recommended broker. I have two. We have Abado.com, and then I also use FXCC. I have the links to both of these brokers on my bio. Go and check it out. Use the link on there to sign up. Okay, these brokers, they offer low spread, zero commission. It's very good if you want to save money on fees. Okay, sign up. All right. Drink water. Wow, I'm just looking at gold right now. And holy damn. Yeah, looks like the support is currently getting broken. So I'll do a quick one-time analysis on gold here. Okay, so you see, I'm going to delete this. Now, it's not fully confirmed. The breakout is not fully confirmed unless we break below this. I told you guys, because this low here and this low are technically very close to each other, so we can just consider both of them as a critical support. Okay, if the price doesn't break below this level, it still has a chance to go higher. That's why now we're seeing that the buyers are coming in. They're trying to basically respect this support here. That's why they're pushing the price up. So they really defended that support very well, which is good. Okay, that's a good sign. And let's see if they're going to be able to push it up. I think they should be able to. It should be. Okay, so let's just do one more analysis, quick analysis on gold. Okay, so we can see 1 hour candle bullish there. Okay, push the 1 hour candle bullish. Okay, that is a good sign. So now we can basically know that gold is going to resistance of 26.47 there. Okay, so you want to look for buying opportunity for gold anywhere between 26.33, 26 40. Okay, 2634, 2640. Let's see, let's even say 41. Those are all good areas to look for buying opportunities for gold. And if you do buy based on this time frame here, okay, you're targeting number one, 2648. Okay, stop loss, it has to be below 2624. Okay, that's like if you want to reduce your risk, like let's just say 2631, you can set your stop loss at 2641 there. Okay, number one. And then yeah, just target this resistance 2648, number one, because that's where gold is heading next. And then once this resistance gets broken, then we can target this one here at 2659. Okay, 2659 could be an area to sell if the price gets rejected. Okay, very high chance we will sell from that. Okay, because this will be the first time the price is the resistance. So yeah, look for sell around 2659 if it gets rejected. And yeah, so that's basically it for gold, guys. I was going to analyze Bitcoin, but because I'm trying to get tired. But yeah, let me see. Let's see. So Bitcoin, what is Bitcoin doing, guys? Bitcoin is 62,600. That's where it is at right now. Now earlier today we see Bitcoin go to 64,478. We got rejected. Okay, so this is actually not good. It's forming a lower high on the daily time. Okay, that's actually not a very bullish pattern. This is telling me that Bitcoin is going to come down. So for Bitcoin here, I would be selling Bitcoin and set my stop loss above 64,900. Not even 900. Yeah, 900, sorry. Because we got a lower high here. And then this is technically a bearish pattern. Price is most likely going to revisit 60,000 again. I think very high chance we're going to revisit 60,000. That's what I'm seeing here. Okay, because the price basically it fell to form a new high. Instead, it gave us a lower high, and that's not a very good sign here for Bitcoin. Okay, so yeah, it has support at 60,000 though. Very strong support there. So if the price comes down to 60,000 and the support holds, then you can enter buy there. But for now, you want to enter sell for Bitcoin. So yeah, let's go down to 1 hour. Let's get a clear picture what's happening here. Okay, so this is Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame. We can see we had an uptrend, right? Price was in this uptrend, and the uptrend was intact until the price broke. Until the price broke this low here. This came down, we went up. Okay, so until the price broke this, we broke this low here. Now this is a very important price is supposed to hold in order for the uptrend to continue, but since it broke below it, this is now going to be a resistance. Okay, so now Bitcoin has strong resistance at 3,400, which it's now a good area for price to reverse down. Okay, so now it has entered a downtrend. Okay, you can see we've started this downtrend 1 hour. We're now forming lower highs and see. Okay, so that downtrend started now. So that's why you want to enter sell, and then target previous lows here, previous highs. I mean, lows, previous higher lows. The main area where it's heading, it's 60,000. Okay, 60,000 is where it's heading. And a stop loss, like I said, 64,900. That's like best case scenario if you want to be like, if you're targeting, okay, let's just say this. If you're targeting 60,500 as your TP, then set your stop loss above 64,000. Okay, but if you want to go based on this small movement, if you're trying to sell here, You want to minimize your risk? Sure, you can set your stop loss at 63,500. Since this is a downtrend that it's starting, technically means that we shouldn't break above 63,400 or 500. That's like a no-go area for Bitcoin right now. It's going to continue this downtrend. Okay, so if you want to enter sell here and set your stop loss above 63,400, that's a much lower stop loss than 5. Okay, now Bitcoin is extremely volatile, and this means that the amount of pips you will get for Bitcoin is a lot. So make sure you don't use a high lot size, okay? Unless you are trading with like a huge capital, make sure you're using 0.01, 0.02 for Bitcoin. And the way the pips in Bitcoin works is slightly different than the way it works for normal currency pairs. If you guys don't understand what I mean, maybe I'll explain it later on, okay? Like 0.01 does not mean the same thing for Bitcoin as it does for other pairs, okay? So that's something I'll explain later. I mean, since 62,150 in Bitcoin dollars, is it good? I really need tips. I'm a new trader. You're in what? Are you in a sell or you're in a buy? Which one? You're in a buy. Okay, so you're in a buy since 62,150. Okay, so if you're in a buy, I don't know what made you buy. Maybe because price came at this support. Okay, that was a support. So yeah, because price is currently forming this bearish formation. Okay, this is downtrend. Your buy may not play out. I would probably close that buy now, and then maybe look to re-enter if the price breaks above 63,400, then you can look for buy again. But for now, you are in profit right now. It's best you secure your profit and then wait. Just secure your profit, get out, and then wait for the price to break resistance. Which, okay. Same. It's not on this. It's on Bitcoin dollars. 15-minute gap bid stamp. Okay, what are you targeting for your take profit? What's the TP? $62,630. Okay, but the price is at $62,668, so it has already hit your target. Okay, guys. Okay, we're gonna call it a day. Thank you guys for joining today's live. So should I sell right now? Yeah, I told you that Bitcoin is gonna head down, so you should be looking to enter sell. Okay, I don't think it's gonna buy. It's only gonna buy if it breaks above 63,400. Okay, just go to the daily time frame and you'll know. Right now we have a lower low, lower high here. So this is bring the price down 60,000. Okay. So guys, thank you for joining today's live. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found value. I'll be back again tomorrow by God's grace around 10 a.m. Eastern time. Make sure you join my Telegram group, follow me on TikTok, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye for now. TP for gold. Okay, so if you're entering gold based on, let's go back to, if you're entering gold based on this 1 minute analysis, TP should be at 26.45. Okay, if you're entering gold based on the 1 hour analysis here, TP should be at 26.48, and your stop loss is at 26. Your stop loss is around 26.30. Okay, this is slightly below this low. 26.30 is where you set your stop loss. Targeting 26.48 as TP. But on the 1 minute, if you're just targeting 26.45, then your stop loss needs to be below 26.41. Okay, 26.40. Because if the price ends up breaking below 26.41, it's going to dump. It's going to dump all the way back down to most likely like this low here, 636. Okay. So these are the critical levels to watch. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Good night. Bye for now. Hello, Mama. Work it,